Hi everyone, welcome to Microbit Lesson 9. Okay, today we study about how to use input music, LED radio, loops, logic, variable, math. Okay, first we drop one start and forever. Go input, take one button A, press it. Okay, and then go basic, take show LED, and then do here like that. Like a heart, do like that, and then take music, and then take this racing here. You will here. Okay, and then go input again. Take on shake, then select tier right, then go basic. Take show icon here, then take this. Here, take this confuse. Okay, and then okay, bye everyone to listen my video.